ADSF बैच 1 का पेपर व्हाट इज़ द मिनिमम थ्रेट टू अमेज़न फॉरेस्ट रीजन। इसका सही ऑप्शन था इलीगल कटिंग एंड डिफॉरेस्टेशन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है नाइगर इज लोकेटेड इन विच रीजन। इसका सही ऑप्शन था वेस्टर्न अफ्रीका। What was a significant development in Pakistan-Iran relation in January 2024? इसका सही ऑप्शन था बॉर्डर क्लैशेस। In 2024, Ukraine launched a counter-offensive in which region? इसका सही ऑप्शन था रशिया कुराश ओब्लास्ट। Which city is Saudi Arabia planning a future advanced city? इसका सही ऑप्शन था न्यूम। According to 2024-2025 report, which is Pakistan most populated city? इसका सही ऑप्शन था लाहौर। Who is considered the pioneer of school of Hanafi thought? इसका सही ऑप्शन था इमाम अबू हनीफा। Who is responsible for security of country, executive and administrative bodies? What is considered the most important things for a country? Law and order. What is primary purpose of scanning by ASF airport security force? To detect illegal immigrants, which is not a part of physical security. Encryption. Which of following is an example of physical security? Security guard and scanning. For whom did the Prophet Muhammad pray, "O Allah, grant him the understanding of fiqh religion"? Abdullah ibn Abbas. What is false accusation of adultery called in Islam? Udaf. What is meaning of word demur? एतराज़ करना. Fuel price inflation was primarily driven by global oil crisis due to Russian-Ukraine war. Security clearance is mandatory for sensitive government positions. General Commission's classification levels are confidential, secret, and top secret. What is the meaning of title? To turn or slant to one side. Never in sentence our body never rises at night is a adverb. ये इंग्लिश का सवाल है। इसके अंदर एडवर्ब के बारे में पूछा गया था कि इसके अंदर एडवर्ब कौन सा है। In physical security, access control means restricting entry to authorized person only. The meaning of idiom to go Greek, to split the bill. Pakistan has been ranked as the by IQR Global Air Quality Airport 2023. इसका सही ऑप्शन था 3. Who discard explosive material? Bomb disposal squad. Best method to detect explosive or gunpowder is sniffers. The African country that joined BRICS in 2024 is Ethiopia. Ceasefire mediator between Hamas and Israel in 2024 was Qatar, Egypt, and US. The most debated topic at 2023 UNGA was climate change and Gaza conflict. Putin arrested warrant was issued by International Criminal Court. The short-term $3 billion bailout agreement in 2023 was met with IMF. The cheap war between US and China is about semiconductor technology dominance. Charge of adultery in Islam is delayed under hard punishment under Hudud ordinance. Her resort is situated in Makkah. The largest flood in Pakistan occurred in 2022. How many days Hazrat Muhammad stayed at Resort 3? Port Qasim is near which city in Pakistan? Karachi. UN Human Rights Community is international covenant on civil and political rights. Who presented the objective resolution in Constituent Assembly? Liaquat Ali Khan. Most important question. Hazrat Abu Bakr gave the responsibility of completion of Holy Quran to Hazrat